Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to put a banner ad on the top of your Shopify store. The first thing the customer sees, no need to have any apps, monthly subscriptions, anything. It's actually featured or available in your store. A lot of people don't know this. They download an app, they pay a small monthly subscription just to put a discount code or some information at the top. We're logged into my Bester Page Shield page. It's a trial page I just use to show you how to do these things. This is your home page once you have logged in. This is Bester Investments. I'm quickly going to show you. You're going to go to your online store. This is very powerful for if you have a store that does free shipping. You're going to have specials running. This is like the best way to put an ad in front of your customers that doesn't cost you any apps. I use this and I have massive success. I tested it over 5 different stores, different products. Okay, so here we are. This is how our store looks at the moment. Alright, so that is it. So it's very easy, but a lot of people don't know this. So here you can change to a image that will remove that Bester Page Shield there and put a logo there. I'll do a video how to replace the words with the logo, link in the description of the video. And then here you can change the size of the logo, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna have show announcement bar. And now you'll see it says announce something here. So let's say free shipping worldwide on orders over 50 USD. So what we're doing here, we're telling customers we are going to give you free shipping on an order over $50. So let's say they have something in their basket, $35 or $40. This is going to encourage them to spend more. But please remember, you have to work out your profit margins and so on, and mark your items so that if they purchase one item that it's not over $50 one, you want to have them to buy more. So this is just per example, otherwise you're gonna have to make it like 40 if your stuff is cheaper, or let's say $60 to get them to buy 2 items to qualify for free shipping, because we want to make sales. Okay, so that's adding a banner on the top. Now we have the option to have it here, home page only or on every page. I'm gonna click that to have it on every single page because I want my customer to see it the whole time. Every window they open, that is gonna be on the top. But now gray is not the best color. Depending on your store, select something that fits, looks comfortable, is not sore to the eye. Blue fits mine nice because I have some blue in my images of my products, and as tested, red works like a dream because it has power. Red is always a powerful color to go with, and yellow is sometimes a bit bright, but that's your choice. You can see that that's sore on the eyes and I'm not gonna look at it. I would rather go for something blue or red. So that is how to set up a free banner, actually like ad on your Shopify store, and you can just press save and then that will be on the top of the store entrance. Once they go onto your shelf store, that will show there. I hope you learned something. If you like my videos, hit the like button, it really helps the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel to see new videos coming every day, and hit the bell notification, otherwise you're not gonna get the notification. Thank you for watching. My name is Michael from Bester Investments, and I'm gonna guide you all through Shopify and help you do your best. Enjoy your day and see you soon.